Good morning. My prayers. Om Shri Guruve Tunai. Om Shri Triniliyaman Tunai. Om Shri Veerashanta Mahakali Tunai. Retrograde motion of planet first positions. Sun, Moon, Rahu, Ketu. These four planets do not have retrograde motion. Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Mercury and Saturn, these five planets only will have retrograde motion. If it gets into retrograde motion, then all the activities of that planets will be strange and a different mood will develop. If Mars is in retrograde, they will be strange and different in sports. If Venus is in retrograde, marriage, pleasures, clothes, materials, pleasures are of a different disposition. If Saturn is in retrograde, they will do business in a strange and world way. If Jupiter is in retrograde, wealth, children, worship of God. In these aspects, strangeness will be in different position. If Mercury is in retrograde, education, communications, bond registrations, maternal uncle loan, interest, banking, business are strange in this. They act differently the usual. The second stage of the curve. A malefic planet will herald a separation. Example, if a planet is malefic in second bhava, it creates a situation where the person moves out of the family and leaves the family and lives alone. Example, fourth bhava and fifth bhava is malefic, the eldest child will leave the grandfather family. The ninth bhava is the father. The 10th bhava is the father's family. If it is in malefic, the father will be separated from the family. Curve due to the fact that the father will cause strangeness to the horoscope. If Taurus Lagna reach the Venus curve, their fourth house is Leo. The reason for their strange different moods is the seed of the fourth bhava, Vagra. Based on the sun's rotations only we calculate the other planetary positions. Vagra positions can be calculated based on the distance between the sun and the planet. Also consider for which place is the sun is the lord and the positions of this place from Lagna and in which bhava sun is placed. Example, Sagittarius Lagna. Lagna lord is retrograding. The reason for retrograding is sun. For Sagittarius Lagna, the sun lord position and place will be the reason for their body, mind and action to retrograde. If the retrograding starts at birth, then the behavior of the person will be different, like they will not get along with people. Normally they want to be alone, they will have unique talent, etc. For this the reason is the person's horoscope, but the seeds is from the father's horoscope. They will not have hard mentally, they will have their own thoughts. Because of the father's business, they may have to relocate places, which may cause this behavior in the person. For Rishabha Lagna, Venus retrogrades in Leo fourth place, then they will have peculiar behavior. Mother's family, educations are the cause of his disturbed mind. This is a reason to live separately, not joining the family or with anyone else. Father as is represented by Leo, which comes as the ninth bhava. Higher education, long distance travel, research, all of these makes him unique and different. The sun is the zend that causes the strangeness of the mind. If the fourth lord is malefic, then this person is in Leo Lagna. Fourth house, ninth house, Lord Mars. This reason for Mars to retrograde is the sun. They are different and strange. Fourth place is education. Ninth place is higher education. Because of this, he will reach the strange position. That's all. Planet Astanga. If Venus in Leo house is positioned as Sun is 20 degree and Venus is 10 degree, it means Venus is going to touch Sun. Similarly, if Venus is 15 degrees Sun 20 degrees, it means that Venus is going to get Astangam. Any planet within 5 degrees before and after Sun is Astangam. If it is behind the Sun rather than in front of it, it is considered complete Astangam. Whichever planet is about plus or minus 5 degrees before or after the sun, then it means Astangam. If the planet is behind the sun by 5 degrees, then it's considered as complete Astangam. Whenever there is Astangam, it does not mean the sun will take care of it. The planet sun is the ruler, the great man, the king, the boss, the chief, ruler king. If we are side by side with these sun sign people, then all that planetary work will become absolute. When we are with those busy people, Astanga is difference. It equal expiration. If the sun and Mercury are together, where Mercury seats, the matter of study will be delayed. Sun, Jupiter, money, income related matter will be delayed. When Sun join Saturn, there will be carelessness in business related matters. Any planet joining the Sun within 5 degrees does not affect the nature of that planet before or after, because indifferent and at the last moment they act with auspiciousness. If any planet is in the sun side, the work of that planet is not able to be done. The time passes and the work is delayed and another work comes up. Even if it is impossible, it will pass likewise. This is the nature of Astangam planets. Next, malefic lord. We have divided the zodiac into three regions: string, stability, courtesy. If the string house is placed as birth bhava, the 11th lord is the negative lord, 9th lord is malefic lord for string lagna, 7th lord is adverse lord for courtesy lagna. String lagna 11th lord is malefic lord. There are elder brother, friends, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, stepmother. These are bhava lord. Number 1. A malefic lord will always speak in a disapproving manner. This is one of the qualities of a malefic lord. Number 2. If some tells us in the way we like and what we like, then that thing will push us into the abyss. We have to do when people says what we don't like. We should not do what we like. This is the nature of the malefic lord. If there is a planet in the negative lord house, then the planet will act retrogradely. A planet joining a malefic lord is equivalent to a planet in a house with a malefic lord. Thank you very much.